version of the Bigfoot monster truck, and we already got the school bus unboxed. How you like the school bus, Moses? Which one you like better? You like the bus better? All right, let's see what's up with the.
That was my turn.
Okay, you open it. Open it from this side. What? Take it out, bro. Dang.
All my cars. Do you get it?
No, he's recording. Here.
Do you get it?
No, let's do that. Now we're gonna play with them, Papa. Let's show them. Let's show everybody what you got.
Okay.
Show everybody your cars. Whoa, what is this one?
A beast.
Oh man. All right, let me see the school bus.
No. Give me it.
Whoa. What about this one? Ah! Ah! Come on, man. You can't be mean like that. Ah! This one ran away. It got scared. Then we're going to go old school bus versus the new bus. Oh, you going to run it over? Oh, no! It's almost dead, dude.
This is for cars and for dragons. Cars go in there and cars go in there.
Okay, how do they go in there? Like this? You gotta load them up. Oh, that's awesome!
Do you get it?
It shoots them out. Oh,
Do you get these cars then?
yeah, I got this one. Yeah, I already got one.
Let's put them back in the house.
You wanna put them back on the ground? Okay, grab which cars you wanna play with on the ground.